Hi, welcome back to English and Chemistry. This is Combined Gas Law, lesson number 2. Remember the combined gas law is P1V1 T1 equals P2V2 or T2, but better yet, P1V1 T2 equals P2V2 T1. You definitely want to use that second one. It's going to be a lot better. All right, let's go ahead and look at this. The final volume of a 400, what is the final volume? So we're looking for the volume here, 400 milliliter. Okay. Gas sample went from 22 Celsius, so that's our first temperature, to our second temperature was 30 Celsius. And the pressure changed from 760 millimeters of mercury to 360 millimeters of mercury. All right, unfortunately, we have Celsius, so we have to convert that into Kelvin. So remember that we use K equals C plus 273.15. So I'm going to call this T1. So T1 is going to equal 22 plus 273.15. T1 is going to be 295.15 K. T2, I guess I can go ahead and do that. Well, T2, I know it's 30 plus 273, so to save some space, I'm just going to call that 303.15. Okay, now we're ready. So we're going to isolate for V2. V2 equals P1 V1 T2 over P2 T1. Sweet. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and put the numbers in. I'm just going to put the numbers in here. Times our volume, 400 milliliters. Okay, times our second temperature. Divided by our second pressure, which was 360. Times our first temperature, which was 295. Okay, temperatures cancel, pressure cancels, and now we have to set up the math. So let's go ahead and take care of the math. Huge number, I mean, absolutely huge number. Like 92 million on the top here. But we're going to make this better in a minute. 92 million and some change. Okay. And what's left, of course, is milliliters. So let's look at the bottom here. All right, 6,000 on the bottom. So now we're going to divide the top by the bottom. And I get 867 milliliters and some change. 867.33 milliliters. All right, let's look at the second problem. Oh, good, it's in Kelvin. Excellent. Much better for us. So the pressure is, okay, so we want to know the new volume. And so the pressure is 760. Okay. Temperature is 100 K. 400 liters. What's the new volume? Well, standard pressure is 1 atm. And 760 is 1 atm. And the standard temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, but that's going to be the same as 273.15 K. All right. Now, let's go ahead and take care of V2. See how easy this really is? Not hard at all. It's really super duper easy. Just takes a little bit of time. And it's going to be times our first integer, which is 100k. Now I want to show you something. I'm going to do something here. I'm going to cross this out and make that 1 ATM. Plus 760 millimeters of mercury is 1 ATM. See that? So now we're just going to go ahead and get our answer here. So this is going to be 400 times 273.15 divided by 100. And I'm going to get the volume to be 1,092.6 liters. And that's it for this lesson. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Musin Chemistry.